In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Stardew Valley. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So basically, Stardew Valley is available on these platforms. So if you have an account on Steam, click on that, log in using your credentials. It's also available on Humble Store, GOG.com, Xbox One, of course, PlayStation Network, Nintendo Switch. It's also available on iOS devices and Android. Alright? So if you have an account for each of these platforms, you might want to sign in and just purchase the game itself. Alright? And the next method is simply what we need to do is go to a website called bluestacks.com. Alright? So for those who doesn't know, Stardew Valley is a role-playing game, an RPG game developed by Concerned Ape. BlueStacks App Player is the blessed platform, acts like an emulator to play this Android game on your PC or Mac for an immersive gaming experience. So all you're gonna do is click on Play Stardew Valley on PC and you will be directed to a new window, which would lead you to installing these on your PC. Alright? All you're gonna do is click on Save, Install, and that's how you are going to download and install Stardew Valley. It's very quick and easy. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all again in the next video.